Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're checking out another Vantrue dashcam, the N4 Pro or Nexus 4 Pro. This is a 3-channel dashcam. Front camera is 4K, ultra high definition. The interior and rear cameras are full high definition 1080p. Let's have a look at the advertising and features on the box. "4K, 1080p and 1080p cameras, STARVIS2, HDR, wide viewing angle, 3.19 inch LCD screen, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS logger, buffered collision and motion detection, low bitrate parking mode, adjusting parking monitor zone, magnetic mount, supercapacitor, extreme temperature protection and optional CPL filter." Okay, let's see what's in the box. I'll put that one out the way. We've got a wiring diagram there. I'll try and focus that in. There we go. Let's look at the main unit. Okay, showing the sticker over the LCD screen with some of the functions and the 1080p interior camera. Onto the bottom, we've got 4 menu buttons, infrared detector and microphone, as well as some ventilation slots. Onto this side, we've got a magnetized cover over the microSD, power on and reset button. Alright, onto the front we've got the magnetic mount slot and the IMX678 8MP STARVIS2 sensor. On the top we got the rear camera power in and some more ventilation. And on this side the N4 Pro logo. Feels very solid and well built. I do prefer the barrel style dash cams. Alright, onto the rear camera. This is a full high definition 1080p. Type-C power in. On this end has a working LED when it's active and the camera is fully adjustable. The accessories, so we'll pop that over there. We have the Type-C power adapter with an extra USB power at the top there if you need that. Magnetic mount has a Type-C power in. I really do like this design. It's a very strong magnet. It will not fall off, that's for sure. And you can easily pop off the unit to hook up to a PC for downloading files or remove from the windscreen mount if you're changing vehicles. And it is adjustable. Trim tool, spare sticky mounts. Onto the cabling. Got the PC or laptop cable here, and front to rear camera cable. It's about 6.5 meters long. We've got the English user manual, some electrostatic stickers and wipes, and warning stickers in a few different languages. Okay, the hardwire parking kit comes with fuse taps to fit most vehicles. It has the 4 main types are there included. You'll only need one set though for each vehicle. This is voltage adjustable. Gee, I must have dropped this phone one too many times. autofocus isn't working properly today. 12 volt or 11.6 volts. The fuse tap simply plug into the red and yellow cables. All 4 common fuse types are included. A Vantrue 256GB high endurance microSD card, 4K class 10 and U3. Maximum size for this unit is 512GB and comes with a 2-year warranty. Okay, I'm waiting for the CPL, but it should be here soon. And there we go, it's arrived. The CPL screws onto the front of the lens. It's adjustable. If you watch it on the live screen, you can sort of adjust it while you're watching it live. I think it's well worth it. They do cut down a lot of glare from the dashboard and windshield. App functionality. One of the better designed dashcam apps around. The resolution, will set that to the highest. There's the other settings there as well, all at 30 frames a second. Loop record to a minute. Infrared, we'll set that to auto. G sensor, and that's what's so good here about this app. All the minor adjustments, for example, you've got the G sensor, sometimes it goes off when you shut a door or boot. With the 5 different settings, you should be able to have a little bit more control over it, not activating all the time if you spend a little bit of time setting it up. Exposure, same thing there. Look at how many different adjustments you've got. Stamp, we'll set that to Aussiecams HDR. We'll leave that on. Motion detection, we'll set that for parking mode. Collision detection may not detect someone scratching your car, but motion detection will, so I'd prefer that. Speed, we'll leave that on kilometers. Voice control is turned on from the About tab. Just before we do a quick demonstration on the voice control, here are the commands that the N4 Pro responds to. Take photo. Turn off audio. Turn on audio. Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Lock the video. Turn on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Format reminder, it's a very good feature. You'll get a reminder to format the card. Takes about 5 seconds. Do this at least once a month to eliminate any card writing errors. Onto the road test. overview. After a few weeks of testing, VANTRUE N4 Pro is highly recommended by me. Dashcam works flawlessly. The STARVIS2 8MP IMX678 front image sensor gives you some of the best imagery possible on the market today. I do like the app, it works very well, and all the extra settings available are very welcome. Functionality is excellent and it's easy to pair with your phone. I'd like to see the rear camera upgraded to 2K at some stage. It's not any issue. The rear camera is great, just as an overall package, I suppose I'm trying to say. I can see why Vantrue is so popular in the US and overseas. This is a really good all-round dash cam. Magnetic mount makes it a breeze to remove from your vehicle, whether that's to upload a video to your PC or transfer between vehicles. The 3-inch LCD screen's very clear to view. There's also camera configurations you can set up to keep on screen while it's recording. As I mentioned, 512 gigabytes is the maximum size microSD card. Buffered parking mode works well. There's a couple of different settings for the voltage, 12 volts or 11.6 you can set it to. Probably recommend 12 volts. And being a 3-channel dash cam, you'll have the 3 recordings of the same time with a prefix of A, B or C, just depending on which camera you're looking for. A is the front, C is the rear, B is interior. Okay, I think that's about it from me. Stay safe on the roads. Aussiecams over and out.